Here we have a 2005 American half ounce gold eagle, a $25 gold piece. This one's also signed by Kenneth Bressett. I think that's how you pronounce it. Honoring the United States Coin Guide book, that red book that everybody has. Beautiful coin. Perfect grade, MS70, perfect coin. Perfect American Eagle. 1 ounce, fine gold, $25 piece. Look at that thing. It's beautiful. NGC holders, I like them better. I enjoy them a lot more than the PCGS. I think they're prettier. I think the coins look a lot better. But that's just my preference. Nonetheless, a beautiful gold piece.